Here we are, Metal Robotnik's lair. D, are you scared to be here? I'll find some oil to enhance your status. No, S, don't leave me here!
I can feel the fear inside you.
Who is there? Ah! Here, D, I got you some oil for you. D, where'd you go? Where are you? And when I came back, D was gone. I immediately escaped Metal Robotnik's lair and left D behind because I might get caught too.
Did you see anything before you left D to get her oil?
There was this rejected mecha drone that looks exactly like Mecha Sonic.
No way. Could it be? Furnace the Mecha Sonic? Who is Furnace, Doctor? He is the first prototype of you, Mecha. His systems are overrunning on its own. He must be destroyed. Be careful out there, Mecha. He is too camouflaged to be seen. You can see his light in his eyes, right? Yes, I promise. Me, Sky, and my son will save D, no matter what. So, you're awake.
Who are you?
I'm Furnace the Mecha Sonic, and you will be my supper.
No, don't eat me!
Well, too bad. I haven't eaten anything like 1,000 months. Is this it?
Yes, this is the spot where I left her.
So, we meet again, Yellow Girl. You came back here to die with your new friends. Guys, I'll handle this guy. You go find D. Well then, looks like it's you and me now.